This is Richard. Self-reported corruptions are how many doing? Live stream 56. Guess what? Guess what the topic is going to be today? I'll ask to recap last week, because last week's topic was the red light camera program could be a money laundering scheme. Like I said, the red light camera program is two schemes in one. So let's think about that. Before we do that, you know what we do first at Corruption Door Network? We do the thing called the oath. What do you mean by that? Every politician, every judge, every law enforcement person, every attorney, to get that state license, you got an oath you got to take. And each oath, even the city commissioners got oath. And the first thing they say is, let's do it. I will support, defend, and protect the U.S. Constitution first. That's what our politicians, and this scam, the red light camera program, it's a perfect scam. And it's so perfect, I tell everybody, when I meet with the corruption task force, say you're a new person, what I usually do, I give you a quick test. I'll give you a violation notice. Okay, or a citation notice, and say, tell me what you see there. And if you train properly, you'll pick it apart and say, this wrong, that wrong, this wrong, this wrong, okay? 99% of the people cannot do that. Even the judges, even the law enforcement, even the local FBI agent can't do that. Most attorneys can't do that. They cannot look at a document in the red light camera program and see it in no way possible it's legal. If you think it's legal, then you're not properly trained in law. What I mean by properly trained? Okay, the first important thing you have to realize, I tell everybody, you can write anything down on paper. If it ain't the law, it ain't the law. Let's repeat that again. You can write, you can want this. Like I said, at the red light renewal camera city meeting last year, the police chief get up there and said, we want everybody to stop at the intersection, but the Florida statute, you tell them right or red, correct, and confirm. You say what you want and what the law is two different things. That's what gonna be with the politician, the legislator, the commissioner. Here's what you get wrong. Let's get ahead. Laying out the law. How you get it wrong. Ready? Right here. The misconception that a politician can write any law. Guess what? If it don't meet constitutional requirements, it's null and void, illegal. You can't take away people's constitutional right. Remember that the Constitution recognized two types of courts: civil court and criminal court, and there are procedures for that, proper procedure. So when the legislator or politician write rule, in this red light camera program, they circumvent proper procedures. Okay, hang on. Here you go. Circumvent. Right here. This is my first video I ever did. A slide. The way it's written, the red light camera program, the politician or the red light camera company help the politician write the rule, and what they do is they try to change the definition what the civil court supposed to be, or the Constitution is totally illegal. So what do you mean by that? Everything in the red light program written by the legislator, or politician, or the red light camera company, guess what they do? It's vagueness, vague language, vague statute. Everything they do, think about this, everything they do circumvent the law. It don't match with the Constitution. It don't match with civil court procedure. Okay, people? Oh, before we do that, I want to show you something, guys. I'll show you something. You violate the Florida Statute 817-34, organized scheme and defraud. Okay, the courts have ruled that the payment, violation notice, citation notice, are voluntary payments. So why are you still enforcing it? So look, you got to go to a civil court. You got to be served and subpoenaed to court, the right party. So let me go show you something else, guys. Other thing you violated, the paperwork the camera company turned into the police department. All the paperwork, okay, is false police report. So we got to fire all these people in government for processing everything. Remember, the red light camera program, I call they use are called process court, not civil court or criminal court. They circumvent real court procedure. Okay, because I'm going to show you something, guys. I'm going to show you, in Florida, there is, remember, like I tell everybody, the red light camera court is totally illegal. What do you mean by that? I'll show you right here. They fall under Florida bar rules. They don't say Florida law or Florida civil court. Here you go. The, evidence. The rules of evidence apply to all hearings for traffic infractions shall be the same as civil cases. You see what I'm talking about? So that means the red light camera company, okay, here's how simple this, I'm going to explain it. It's just so simple. This is how simple it is. Every letter you get in the mail, okay, it falls under civil procedure. It's like collection, small claim court, okay? So the red light camera company sent out a violation notice, okay? Then they sent out a citation notice. Then they sent out an order of suspension of the driver's license. Guess what? All of them are voluntary payment. But in the red light camera program, if you don't voluntarily pay it, they'll automatically suspend your driver's license for it. Remember, you're entitled to a court hearing for every paperwork. That means in civil court, the red light camera company, okay, they're the one send a letter to the owner of the vehicle. Now, in Florida, there's a thing called uniform traffic law. And that's what they try to circumvent it. Because like a story is, I've been given is down in South Florida, the 16 cities had 16 different answers what red and right should be. Guess what? Everyone got it wrong because the uniform traffic law already had it. Then the Florida Department of Motor Vehicle Safety informed the 48 cities you can't issue a ticket red or right anymore, and the police should confirm that. So that's one argument. You didn't get that money back. And fire every city employee, county employee, and everybody in town, the red light program is totally illegal because it's voluntary payment. They're illegal to suspend people driving license without court procedure. So let's go back to something here. Let me show you something. Okay, here how the aspect, we mean money laundering come in. So if the camera company give out violation and citation money, notice, they give it to the owner, how do the red light company get paid? The legal way is to serve and subpoena the driver, but in the skin it can and never identify. Under Florida traffic uniform traffic law, you got to stop the vehicle and identify the driver. In the Constitution, the Fifth Amendment of the Constitution, you got to verify the correct party. See, in the red light scam, they violate civil procedure. And normal civil procedure, you got to identify the correct party. You must be the correct party in court. So at all times, the red light camera company got to be in court. They never in court. That's why they perfectly scam. That's why it's money laundering. Because the city, county, or state paid them. Okay? Remember, the city, state, and the county do not get subpoenaed to court. They got no ground to collect their money. Okay, first of all, you say the waiver. Well, let's see the waiver in court. That's what I'm saying. In the red light camera program, I'll be requesting information. They violate the Fourth Amendment, the Sixth Amendment, the Fifth Amendment with what do you call that word? Portable cars. That means the Bundy versus Maryland, 1963, the withholding evidence. I'm requesting, I'll go to the city, the county, state, asking for information. They won't talk to me, refuse to give me information. And I try to ask for people above there, they won't give me the right people. So this is why the perfect scam. Remember, all the people in government work with manual and guidelines. They're not allowed to go outside that. That's why the perfect scam. They judges. You should have the ability to shut down the red light camera program, traffic court judge. Okay? And you ain't allowed to do it. Hey, state attorney office, they banned me. And I'm right. They say, oh, we can pick and choose my cases. No, you don't. You got to prosecute these people. That's why, like I said, I'm not giving up. I'm going to beat you guys. I didn't make a run for public office. I didn't make a run for sheriff of my county. Bring attention to the rally camera program scare. Because remember, all you good people in government, I'm trying to get you guys the ability to fix it. Because what's wrong with government is this. Nobody allowed to fix something wrong or broken. Then somebody like me trying to go up to the chain of command, not able to go nowhere. I'm always blocked at the bottom. I can remember, I made 100 complaints so far. Nobody will investigate it. Law enforcement banned me, refused to investigate, refused to talk to me. So I got to use social media, contact the politician, the judge, the court, everybody. So it made me look crazy. And one thing I got this persistent consistency habit. Every day I take action. On my Twitter account, I got over 1,000 tweets. And what I do every day, I tweet like a politician or government agency or a newspaper story or TV station or somebody. Hey, let's look at the rally camera program. Okay? Because I can't get law enforcement or government agency to investigate my complaint. Okay? That's how I'm going to beat you. I'm going to be a bit persistent. Because this is my not life goal. I'm going to beat you guys. I got put in jail for following the law correctly. And guess what? I'm not giving up. So let's go over some things here. And, another thing they do in this scam is, I'm going to go way down the bottom and show you, I click up. They illegally restrict the driver. Hold it. I want to get a vehicle, different vehicle, this month. And they went for restriction on me. They want me to pay a reinstatement fee. First of all, I'm in the legal process. Here's the other thing they violate, the proper legal procedures. What I mean by that is this. If I get a letter in the mail from the courthouse, I got 30 days to respond. Okay? Or wait on my court date. You can't come in like some other government agency and automatically, like I said, suspend my driving license without court hearing. Or put restriction on my driving license, like the restatement fee. You got to take me to court, get that restatement fee. That's what problem with the rally camera program. They process everybody, not due process. You see what the difference is? Like the rally camera company never in court. Remember, never in court, never take legal action, never witness, and how they getting paid. They call money laundering. That's why it's two scam in one. And I'm gonna beat you guys. Okay? I'm not the bad guy here. I'm the good guy. Listen, I'm the good guy here. All you good people come in. I'm trying to help you. Because I fear how the attorneys screw everything up. Like my buddy told me, you notice the judge's attorney, the politician's attorney, and they make rules to benefit the attorneys. And I'm going to fix all the unethical practice. That's what I said. I want to start the Department of Corruption. The corruption job, we can fix all the unethical practice. Because more money stolen at the courthouse than on the street. Think about it. You got all the unethical. Remember, they got all the manual guidelines the courts go by and don't match the constitutional law or uniform traffic law or any procedure, civil court or criminal procedure. That, like in my county, they criminalize everybody. You know, that's not right. Because remember, a lot of these people in government and court, attorney and judges, they got all these they make you take all these classes or courses and privatize business and allegedly these people invest in the programs. And I want to investigate that. As I said, I'm getting blocked. I'm requesting information from agencies and they're not giving me information. That's violate Bradley versus Maryland with own evidence. I approve the rally camera program 100% illegal, like I said. So I'm going to get out of here. Thank you for watching this short video, 15 minutes. So what you going to do when corruptions are happening? Thank you for watching.